Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, if you are still not enrolled in government run or private run institutions, coaching institutions, you must move. You must go there and facilitate yourself physically because this digital platform can't be the substitute for the actual mode of teaching. And last year, I'm talking about 2019-20, it turned the victim of COVID-19 pandemic and by which the schools remained shut and you are badly hit. So in order to compensate this loss, you have to move to some coaching centers, either in the government run coaching centers or in private capacity, whatever feasible for you. Better is to move to some government run tuition centers because it is free of cost. Dear students of 10th and 12th, today we are dealing with very important topic that is primary auxiliaries. Dear students, auxiliaries are of two types, that are the primary auxiliaries and the models. And be, have and do are the primary auxiliaries. They have other forms. Be, have and do are the primary auxiliaries, and they have a capability or they have capacity or they have ability to stand as a main verb. Rest models, that means the models can't stand as the main verbs. It is only the primary auxiliaries be, have and do that having the ability to stand as the main verbs. So you need to keep in your mind be, have and do. Be, have and do are the primary auxiliaries and they have ability to stand as the main verbs. For example, I have a book, that means I contain a book. He has a book, that means he contain a book. So be an honest man. Be an honest man. So be here is only the verb, so it can stand as the main verb. So have, be and do can stand as a main verb, but they have be has the forms. In present it has also form is and am. In the past it has was and were. Similarly have has with in the present as has another form, and in past it is had. So these primary auxiliaries can stand as the main verbs. But what are they doing in the sentence when there is a main verb? They are helping. They are helping the other verbs to stand. For example, I do that. I do play nicely. That means the main verb there is the play, and this do is helping the verb, or it can be used to make interrogative and negative in case of the sentence that is present sample there. So I do play cricket means do is helping there to stay to man verb, or it is making sentence more emphatic, or it can be used to make negative and interrogative in case of past in present sample. So we can say that do can function as a helping verb and also can be as the main verb. So primary auxiliaries you have to keep in the mind be, have and do. Be, had, have and do. They are the primary auxiliaries, but they have ability to stand as the main verbs. Be having the forms in the present, that is am, is and are, and past it is was and were. Have having in present form, that is has, and also in past had. So dear students, so these three be, he and have having capability to stand as a main verb, and in key, and they are also used to make interrogative in various tenses. For example, do. I play chess, that means I. Without this, without inserting do, you can't make the negative interrogative of that very sentence or present sample. I play chess means I do play chess. I do not play chess, it is negative. Do I play chess, it is interrogative. I have a book, that means I contain a book. So have is here working as the main verb, but have I a book? I haven't a book. I have not a book, that means it's negative. And have I is this interrogative. The have can be also used to form negative and interrogative in case of present sample. Dear students, now has in key has because the have having also the present form as has. He has worked there. When there is has third form, this is a present perfect. When there is has and with that there is a third form of the verb, it's present perfect. So he has not worked there, has he worked there in case of present perfect. Has is used to make interrogative and negative. So B, let's talk about the B. B having present form as am, is, in past it has were and was, and B has in present form also are. I am a boy, I am not a boy, am I a boy? You are a girl, you are not a girl, are you a girl? So this B, it is forms in present, in past, can be used to make negative and interrogative also, and they are also helping the main verb to stand. However, their selves can be used as the main verbs. Dear students, let me repeat the things. There are two types of the models, that are the primary auxiliaries and the secondary. Primary auxiliaries and the secondary. And primary auxiliaries are called primary auxiliaries are primary auxiliaries. And secondary auxiliaries are the models. And they are 10 in number, and primary auxiliaries are 3 in number. That is be, have and do. Be, have and do. Be having in the present forms like am and is, or in the past was and were. Have having in present as has, in past as had. And do having in present do, in past did, and also the done. But dear students, so be, have and do are the primary auxiliaries. They help the main verb to stand there, they are to stand fully there, but they also can stand as the main verbs. I have given you some examples. I have a book. Be an honest man. I do that. So these are the examples where these primary auxiliaries can stand as the main verbs. But remember, they can also help the main verb to stand. Main verb to stand. So be, have and do, they are used to make interrogative, negative in case of most tenses. For example, I do play cricket. I do not play cricket. Do I play cricket? So negative and interrogative can be formed in present simple by this. I have a book. I have not a book. I haven't a book. I have not a book. Have I a book? So this is how interrogative can be made by using have. He has worked in the garden. He has not worked in the garden. Has he worked in the garden? So in case of past, present perfect, has is used to make interrogative as well as to negative. He had gone to school. He had gone to school, because had is also form of what? Past form of have. He had gone to school. He had not gone to school. Had he gone to school? This is how had can be used for making interrogative and negative. And remember that be, have and do can serve as the main verbs, and their forms also can serve. I am a teacher, that means it is a form of be. Am is a form of be, it can serve as the main verb. He is a boy, it is a form of be. I had a tea, that means it's a form of had. So they can serve as the main verb. Dear students, this is the brief introduction of the primary auxiliaries, be, and do. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any query or confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006676 or WhatsApp me on the same number. When you forward your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But better is to see these things on available English grammar books, so that you can grasp the concept well. Move to the coaching centers if you are still not enrolled there, so that you can facilitate yourself to the greater extent physically. Thanks. Be well, asset.